Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In this video, we'll be making two amazing cookies with just three ingredients. For the first recipe, we will start by adding 1 cup of soft unsalted butter, that is 230 grams. If your butter is cold, you can put in the microwave for just 10 seconds. Cream the butter a bit to make it smoother. Next, we will add half cup of icing sugar, that is 65 grams. Mix very well to become creamy. For extra flavor, we'll add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. This is totally optional, you can skip it. Mix well to combine. Next, we will add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 240 grams. We will add this in 2 batches. Mix very well until the flour is properly incorporated and a soft dough is formed. Wrap the dough in a cling film and refrigerate for 10 minutes. This makes the dough easier to work with. After 10 minutes, place the dough on a work surface, unwrap and place another cling film over it, and roll out using a rolling pin. Take out the cling film and cut the dough to your desired shape. Place the dough on a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Make designs on the dough like so, just for extra beauty. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. After baking, the cookies should look like this. It is soft and it is tasty. It is also very easy to make. Now, let's make the second recipe together. We will start by adding 170 grams of soft unsalted butter. Remember, if your butter is not soft, put in the microwave for just 10 seconds. Then we'll cream a little bit to make it smooth. For this recipe, we'll be using granulated sugar instead of icing sugar. So we'll add half cup of granulated sugar, that is 100 grams. Then we cream. Next, we will add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We'll add 1 cup at a time. Mix well until it comes together and forms a dough. You can mix using your hand, it's kind of easier that way. Allow the dough to rest for about 10 minutes. Next, we will take about 1 tablespoon of the dough, mold into ball, flatten with our palms, make a vertical design using a blunt knife or any object that can give you a vertical design. Place on a tray layered with parchment paper. Repeat the process until you've exhausted all the dough. This is the design we are going for, but you can feel free to make any design of your choice. It's your cookie, it's your design. Then we'll bake in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After baking, your cookies should have this beautiful golden color. Let me know in the comment section which of the cookies is your favorite, and will you be trying this recipe at home? I would also love to read about your questions, about your opinions, your recommendations in the comment section. Don't forget to support the channel by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.